Hey, what's up guys? Aaron here. Welcome to the video. So I'm going to touch on what's going on with Celsius, some of the founders of Celsius, also BlockFi's founder, what's going on with him. But first I want to start out right here. Bitcoin ETFs, record 1 billion inflow. This is the second highest daily inflow since their launch. Next, really quick, a lot of you guys already know about this, but we have GME, Gamestop, did a huge run. The guy that came back on Twitter, Roaring Kitty, he is potentially going to get banned from E-Trade because there are people, Morgan Stanley, that are concerned that he can use his influence, basically posting memes, to pump GameStop for his benefit, which is really weird because that's literally what politicians have been doing for a very long time. Using their influence, they're not supposed to, but they use their influence to essentially manipulate the markets. How Roaring Kitty's wealth went from $53,000 to nearly $300 million. So if you're unfamiliar with him, he was the one that really spearheaded this whole GameStop movement a couple years ago. He came back, the price of GameStop went crazy. AMC also went crazy as well, and a lot of the other meme coins went absolutely nuts when he came back on the scene. Next, I want to talk about this. Worldwide searches for on-chain on Google hit all-time high. So what this means is that, well, a lot more people are searching for crypto-related things, but on into the cryptoverse, link below if you want to pick this up. This is a cool chart from the website. It has a lot of the top crypto YouTube stations here. And right now we are at around 1 million views a day or so. And the price is almost at its all-time high. But back in the middle of 2021, we saw the amount of views hit over 4 million a day. So this is one metric to see that, wow, okay, we are almost at all-time highs, but we have not hit that insane normie influx of views yet, which I think is very bullish. Everybody is not trading meme coins. Everybody is not buying Bitcoin. Everybody is not getting into Doge. We are at 1/4 of the amount of views, even though the price of Bitcoin is at almost the same price, or actually it's higher than what it was back in mid 2021, but it's almost back at its all-time high. And you can see that even right here for this year. So when Bitcoin hit its all-time high in mid-March, we saw around 2 million views per day. Now we're at around 1 million views per day, and the price is almost back at its all-time high. So for me, this is a very bullish chart. We have not seen retail really come in yet. So let's talk about some of the founders. We have Zach Prince, then obviously Nuke Goldstein from Celsius, and then we have Daniel Leon, also from Celsius. And I want to take a second and talk about the sponsor of the video, which is Aura. Now, I've been using Aura every single day for over a year and a half, and I keep it on my phone 24/7. Now, a couple things that I use Aura for and that I personally love it for. The big one is the financial fraud protection, and then for me, it's the identity theft protection. And one of the main reasons I like it even more is that it removes your information off of the dark web. Now, let me explain what that means. So right here on my phone, I scroll down to activity, and it says what it's doing automatically behind the scenes. So June 3rd, we completed your second remove request to LexisNexis. No idea what that is. If I click on it, they are a data broker. So with the hack that we all experienced with BlockFi and Celsius through Stretto, a lot of people are getting horrible spam emails, spam messages. Our personal information was leaked. Our personal address was even leaked. So having Aura just automatically go through these different data brokers' websites and taking my information off of these different sites is something that I really like that it does in the background. So if you live in the United States and you have not checked out Aura yet, I highly suggest you do. They are giving a 14-day free trial to you guys. You can go to my link, which is aura.com/Aaron Bennett, or scan the QR code on the screen. And once you get to this page, you can click here, start your free trial. I definitely suggest you do it, especially in light of what has happened, and I think what will continue to happen with the leak that everyone in Celsius and ironically BlockFi experienced. All right, and now let's get back to the video. So Zach Prince was, I believe, the founder or co-founder or whatever of BlockFi, and now he is the CEO of RecostSeg, which basically helps real estate investors save on taxes. So he has all of these threads talking about how clients are saving money by buying short-term rentals, which I think is actually interesting in and of itself. But what's not interesting, or what I think is really kind of cringe, is just how quickly he has completely left crypto and gone into a new market. Now, BlockFi holders got back, I don't even know, like 20-30% of their claim, which again was based at the very, very, very bottom of the market. Around November 28th or so, BlockFi filed for bankruptcy, and that was very soon after FTX, and the market was very, very low. So I just want to say that because creditors are pissed at Zach Prince, right? People are pissed at him. Now, should he ever go and work at another company? Should he, or let's bring it to Celsius, Nuke Goldstein or S. Daniel Leon, should they ever work at another company? Some people may say no. Some people may say absolutely freaking not. They destroyed people's lives with their lies. And a lot of you guys obviously are with Celsius here, Nuke Goldstein, S. Daniel Leon, and they actually kept, I believe, Celsius in their LinkedIn bios, which I think is very brave of them. The CSO, Daniel Leon, and the co-founder and CTO, Nuke. So now they both started AI companies. Nuke started a company called Raver, which is whatever. I don't even know what it does. It doesn't really matter. And then Daniel Leon started one called Blue Sky as the CEO, using generative AI, whatever, ChatGPT, all this kind of stuff. While people like this person right here, this was a letter written to the judge, have not received any of their money back yet from Celsius. They have not received any of their money back. We have 2 little children, and this is one of many, 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 I'm getting a lot of emails, one of many really, really horrible situations. Nuke and Daniel have completely left Celsius, and they have started other companies, both in AI, which I think is kind of interesting. AI seems to be, I don't want to call it the new Grift, but some people may want to call it that. I just think there is so much hype, and I'll end the video right here. This is the CEO of Nvidia signing boobs like a rock star. Is this a top signal? Possibly. Pretty weird. Now, when Michael Saylor starts signing people's boobs, then I know it's a top signal for Bitcoin. Nvidia, I don't have to say it, but a lot of you guys know, Nvidia is, I think, one of the best, or actually the best performing asset over the last decade, I believe. Doing monthly candles right here. I mean, this basically shows you people got insanely wealthy with Nvidia. 2009, it was $1. Now it's $1,100. So it did like 1,000x over 15 years. Anyway, really, really good. So yeah, could this be a top signal? Possibly. Once people start signing boobs, that's usually a top signal, but you never know. So anyway, just wanted to make this video. This one I think is pretty bullish here. Just the price of Bitcoin almost at all-time highs, but we are seeing very boring levels of YouTube activity, which means that the normies have not really come in yet. And then what's going on with the founders of these companies? Obviously, they have moved on and they are trying to restart their image and their life. So let me know in the comments what you think about Nuke and Daniel, and also Zach from BlockFi restarting their life and essentially trying to erase their previous company, which didn't just hurt big organizations or pension funds. No, they destroyed people's lives, individuals' lives. And personally, I think it's pretty gross that they can just move on and pretend nothing happened and say, oh, look, we made people almost 100% whole because of this BS petition date thing, you know? So let me know in the comments what you guys think. And again, if you want to check out Aura, you can do so using my link, which is aura.com/Aaron Bennett, or you can scan the QR code on the screen. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, talk with you soon, and bye for now.